let us know how to show you how the pond's going on. Get in there now. Outside's settling down now. It's not gone down that in there. In all time it's been in, so it's not leaking. Just got to feed them now. Feed that tent here and show you him feeding. Let's get food out. We've got 2 cans of food from. Of these sticks, like protein sticks for the ordinary fish. I'm going to kind of top off that. Let's take. There you go. That's what the sturgeon has. Their float, their sink. We'll get some of them in now and see you in a minute. So they're all feeding now over there. What I do with this one is these here. I just drop them in the waterfall there, it'll wash it down, watch. Washes them all down that run there. And he'll come along and he'll just swim along there and he'll go up his there now. We'll get some more in for him. Still all these. Stick them down that wall there. We'll come in a minute, open that up. We'll have a look at him now while he's feeding. Get that off. There he is. He was them pellets up in. What were you naming, Darcy? The sturgeon up and close arches just been. He calls him Spiky. He's a diamondback sturgeon with all spikes down his back if you like. Yeah, he loves them pellets, look at him going on. Jumping down on. Yeah, they're well loving it in there. He can swim right from one end to the other now. That's all he does all day, cruising, looking for food. But, yeah. Absolutely loving it there now. Back on. Something else in there. He's in good nick. He was about 8 inches long when I bought him. Cost me 28 quid. He's about 2 foot long now. And I was looking up at my fish shop before when I went for that sturgeon food, and they're about 240 quid. So it's worth a fair bit more than when I went in. I knew that cow there, he was only as big as these orange ones over there when he went in. I think he was 15 quid, but now he'll be about 150 quid in probably. Because he's a good foot long. About 4 inch round girth I think him. Yeah, that's it. All done. I'm at work at 2 in the morning, so it'll be bedtime for me soon. It's goodbye from me. It's goodbye from him.